For nearly a decade, OnSite Fleet Services of Florida has been a committed and reliable service provider for commercial vehicle fleets in Central Florida. For medium and heavy-duty gas and diesel trucks, as well as tractors, trailers, and cranes, OnSite Fleet Services of Florida provides full and complete diagnostics, repairs, and maintenance. OnSite Fleet Services of Florida is always prepared to move into action. With 10 technicians on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, customers never have to worry about delays, no-shows, or service lags during a scheduled or an emergency repair situation, or being unable to communicate last-minute changes in logistics. OnSite provides service to fleets of all sizes that have a local, regional, or national footprint in Central Florida. Their reputation has been built truck by truck, one at a time. Customers can order on-demand services including crane inspections and hydraulic hose repair by calling directly or visiting the website. With an inventory of comprehensive diagnostic equipment and software for all makes and models, you can rest assured that the diagnosis of your vehicle will be right the first time, every time. OnSite Fleet Services of Florida offers complete fleet management utilizing telematics technology at no additional cost. This includes preventative maintenance, DOTs, repairs, and emergency roadside service. Plus, you'll receive concierge treatment for all fleet unit needs 24/7, 365, regardless of the number of units in your fleet. Whether you are looking for preventative maintenance, to avoid problems, or dealing with an unexpected emergency, you can trust the dedicated experts at OnSite Fleet Services of Florida. Visit the website to make a call, send an email, or place a direct order today.